What's brother getting you?
Man.
What's he getting you?
Mean.
Ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Who does he get the ice cream from?
Me.
Where does he get it?
Me.
For you?
Mm-hmm.
From who?
No.
The ice cream man? Hmm?
No.
Say the ice cream man?
Man.
Who's come to see you?
Man.
No, who was that? Kitty. Say, here, kitty, kitty.